Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of powerful blending with the 1200W Professional Crusher Blender 2.0, a kitchen marvel designed to make your culinary adventures effortless and enjoyable. This blender boasts an ultra-powerful 1200-watt motor that effortlessly tackles ice, fibrous vegetables, and even meat, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. With a large 52-ounce durable glass jar, complete with a handle and no mess pouring spout, it's perfect for family-sized servings. You're in complete control with its variable speed settings and pulse feature, allowing you to fine-tune the texture of any recipe, from silky smoothies to hearty pasta sauces. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to its dishwasher-safe parts and removable blade, making post-cooking cleanup quick and easy. Plus, our total satisfaction promise ensures you can try it risk-free, knowing we've got you covered with excellent after-sales service. So, whether you're crushing ice for a refreshing drink or blending up a nutritious smoothie, this blender is your go-to kitchen companion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.